think these guys were just abandoned. They were close by their own homes.
Oh, watch out.
See, look at these freaking people, man. They should have some kind of cones. Cops should be having some kind of cones to move away from.
Block off the area.
Yeah.
Some of the abandoned vehicles from the snowstorm of the century. 2 inches of snow. Look at this is really cool right here. Looks like one of them apocalypse movies. Zombie apocalypse. Cars are everywhere.
The rapture. They were driving and they just stopped where they were.
Yeah. People just got out of their car and said, screw it, I'm walking. Look at that. Not moving anywhere. Just abandoned cars all over the road.
Guys, man, they were like that in Chicago. Man, wheels would be gone. The whole car had disappeared.
Right.
Chop chop, baby. Chop chops.
That's why they put salt up there.
Some people don't walk away from their cars.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. You see some nice car with nice rims. It says, we'll take the whole car. We ain't taking just the rims. No ticking sound like yesterday.
No ticking, yeah. Look at that one, zip in the ditch.
You want to go to the woods.
There's a truck for it. Go move some furniture. It's just outside Birmingham, Alabama on I-20. I-20 eastbound.